Hello guys, mga ka-travel. Nandito kami sa Hyatt Regency, Dubai. So this is the place, the Hyatt Regency. We're inside now, and we're having our dinner here, like a New Year's dinner, in the rooftop revolving restaurant. Yeah. So, nandito kami mag-dinner sa revolving restaurant ng Hyatt Regency, 5-star hotel ng Dubai. Yan. So, doon sa rooftop yan guys. Revolving restaurant. So, dito treat lang kami ni Daddy sa sarili namin. Yan. So, ang ganda talaga dito sa Hyatt Regency. Yan, kahit sa loob ng hotel, may palm. Grabe, super ganda guys. 5-star hotel, Hyatt Regency, Dubai. So, yan. So, ito guys, ang loob ng ang reception area ng Regency, Hyatt Regency Hotel. Ito yan. So, grabe guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng 5-star hotel, Hyatt Regency. No, Hyatt Regency. Yan. So, we go down. So, ito may stairs. Bababa tayo guys. Naghihintay kami ng umakyat kasi we are little bit early doon sa restaurant, sa revolving restaurant. So explore muna kami dito sa baba bago kami papasok. So 25th, I think 25th floor. Is that 25th floor, the revolving restaurant? Yeah, so it's quite good view, I'm sure. Yan. See guys, dito sa loob ng Hyatt Regency, mayroon silang ice skating. Yan, there's ice skating and they have their own shopping mall. Oo, ikot kayo guys ha. Mayroon silang sariling shopping mall. Tingnan nyo yung ganda diba? Yan. Kompleto sila dito. Yan. This is for the men. Yeah, this is for the men. Oops. So dito, akit kami sa left. Mag-left na kami. Look. So, kuha kami ng this is there's a view. Yeah. They have their own left. You see guys, the revolving restaurant, they have their own left. Yeah. So that's the one. Yeah. So dyan kami mag New Year's dinner. Yeah. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo guys. So, we're going to the 25th floor for the revolving restaurant. So, yan. Grabe tingnan nyo guys. Yan, 25th floor. So, nandito na kami sa revolving restaurant. Yan guys. Yan. Yan, ganito ka. Yan. Di ba ang ganda? Yan. You say hi, Dad. So we're going to get our buffet, guys. Yeah. So this is the buffet. And this is the food. It's buffet tonight. It's buffet tonight, guys. So yeah. Yeah, this is their dessert. Yeah. You can see them. Wow. And there's more here. Wow, look at this. So guys, this is the food. Yeah, we got everything here. Yeah. See? Now this is their buffet. No, guys. Oh my gosh. Look, there is a oh, there is a prawn. What's that? There's a prawn. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And this is the hindi masyadong nakita, guys. So this is their soup here. Oh my goodness. Look at the big fish. Oh my gosh, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. And that's the, yeah, so this is all everything. Grabe. Ito pa, guys, oh, mga bread. Yan. Ito the bread. And that's everything you can get here. Oh, I like this one. Look, guys. It's a hummus. This is all vegetarian. This is all the vegetarian. Yeah. And this is the, look at you guys. And look there. And this is the sushi. Right, this is the sushi. And there's more sushi. Yeah. So the one. Yeah. This is my first buffet. Yan. Yeah. So, nag-i-enjoy kayo, guys, sa view. At least nakikita ninyo dito, guys. Parang nakarating na rin kayo ng Dubai. Diba? So, ito ang view sa night. Dito sa revolving restaurant ng Hyatt Regency. So, another 5-star hotel. So, we're having our buffet dinner. Yeah. So, ikot ko kayo ulit. So, ito na yung, ito talaga siya, guys, umiikot. So, nakadalawang ikot na kami. Yan. Pero yung ano, yung restaurant, yung buffet area, hindi siya umiikot. Ito lang, itong may mga table, ito lang siyang umiikot. So, kahit na ano, lahat talaga dito makikita talaga ang view talaga kasi umiikot nga ito. Oo. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. So, dito it's very unlimited yung pagkain, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap pa talaga. So, ayan. Ito yung view sa loob naman ng ano. Ito naman ang view dito sa loob ng ano, ng revolving restaurant. Yan. So, at least nakikita naman ninyo, guys. Share ko sa inyo, ha. Ang lifestyle ko. Simple lang naman lifestyle ko, guys. Oh, diba? So, ito na yung halos lahat na ano na lugar or country na pinupuntahan namin na may revolving restaurant, pinupuntahan talaga namin. Oo, kasi nakukulit din ako ng revolving restaurant. So dito, isa din dito, yung si Daddy Cool. Yan. What you having now? You having cake? Yeah. Okay, this is my dessert. Well, some of my dessert. Yan. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025. This is the Hyatt Hotel. Tingnan nyo guys. May balcony. I think that's like a Japanese restaurant or Chinese restaurant. Yeah, it's there. Dito din sa loob ng Hyatt Hotel. Yeah. So, ito yung lobby nila guys.